Hey mighty mites, let's go explore, learning fun and so much more. Jump right in, come join the crew. Mighty Mites learns with you.
Hello, my little mighty mites. I am so happy to see you today. Do you know why you are seeing such beautiful colors today? Yes, it's Republic Day. Today, we will go on a joyful journey to learn about Republic Day, India's rules, our flag, our songs, and how we all live together happily. But before we start our journey, I want you to meet my friends. They come from different places, but they all love India. Aarav, he loves reading books. Meera, she loves dancing. Kabir, he loves helping others.
Hello, mighty mites. Happy Republic Day.
They will take us on beautiful journey to learn about Republic Day. Let's start our journey with our national song.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujala Sufala, Malayaj Sheetala, Sasya Shyamala Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Our national song is called Vande Mataram. It was written by a great writer named Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. He wrote it to show love and respect for our motherland, India. This song reminds us to love our country with all our heart.
Republic Day is a very special day. On this day, India got its own rules. These rules are written in a big book called the Constitution of India. The rules help everyone live safely, fairly, and happily. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January every year. It is India's very special day because on this day, India decided to follow its own rules. The rules teach us to be kind, be fair, and respect everyone. Different people, one nation.
Our beautiful tricolor flag was designed by Bengali Venkaya.
Each color has its own significance. Saffron color symbolizes courage and sacrifice. White color symbolizes peace and truth. Green color symbolizes fertility and prosperity. It also has Ashoka Chakra, which has 24 spokes, signifying motion and morality.
The Indian flag is very special. It is made only with khadi cloth.
Khadi is hand-spun and hand-woven cloth. It reminds us of simplicity, honesty, and unity. Only one special group is allowed to make our national flag, Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha.
On Republic Day, the President of India hoists the flag. We stand straight and feel proud of our country.
Every year, India celebrates Republic Day with joy. There are parades, soldiers marching, and beautiful tableaus. Different states show their dances, music, and traditions. Different colors, different languages, but one, India.
Our national anthem is called Jana Gana Mana. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It helps all Indians feel united as one family. Do you want to listen to the national anthem?
Yes, but before we play national anthem, we should know few things and should follow them. We stand up straight. Our hands stay by our sides. We do not talk or move. We listen quietly. We feel proud in our heart.
Yes, standing straight means we respect our country.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Mighty Mites! Did you enjoy the fun facts about Republic Day? Now, let's see what you remember, Mighty Mites. Which day comes on 26 January? Republic Day. What is India's rules book called? The Constitution. What has 3 colors and flies high? Our national flag. How many colors are there in the Indian flag? 3 colors. Can you name the 3 colors of Indian flag? Saffron, white, and green. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra? 24 spokes. Wait! The fun is not over yet. Let's sing a beautiful rhyme together.
Orange, white, and green so bright,
shining in the morning light.
round and blue the chakra spins, teaching us where courage begins.
Many people, many ways.
Different food and different plays, hand in hand we
Sing and say, Happy, Happy Republic Day.
kind in heart and fair in deed, helping others when they need. One big family, strong and free, that is our India, you and me.
We hope you enjoyed the beautiful journey with us. Wave the flag and say goodbye. See you soon, Mighty Mites.